customer is looking to get an estimate to have their pavers removed and have limestone installed instead. So anywhere that you see pavers here are going to need to be taken off and have limestone, patterned limestone put in place. Now this is actually a perfect setup for it because these are actually laid over a concrete form. So like you can actually, we took off a piece and you can see right here, this is a concrete pour right here, and the same is true for all this. So this is all a nice smooth concrete. This has just been laid in a little bit of sand. So we'll need to take off the pavers, take off the sand, and then we're gonna wet set this in Indiana limestone. So this currently has a pitch away from the house, which is good. We'll need tread stock for the outside area here and here. This area right here will also be removed. The pavers will also be removed, and we'll put limestone in this area here. We've got two places, one place right here and one place right there for water to drain out. So we should be good to go. A couple things to note: there is a well room. He said that's right underneath this area here, but that shouldn't be a big deal because this is all. He said it's all a single pour, so we shouldn't have any problem with that. Like I said, this is it's laid in sand. It's actually got poly in it, so we just need to start. It shouldn't take too much to get these out, and obviously no equipment access is necessary for this. Let's see what else. Yeah, this is about as straightforward as it gets. Plenty of room underneath the threshold. It's basically going to come up to the same height that it currently is. One thing to note, there is siding along here, and they asked about it, and I said, well, we can caulk that, so we'll take PL along this, along the where the siding is, top it off with PL just to keep. They're more concerned about ants. They've got this is underneath a big overhang, so nothing ever gets in here, but they can get ants periodically. So yeah, so that's what we got. Pretty straightforward. If you want, it's 7 feet 3 inches from here to here. It's 23.5 feet from the corner over here to where this is right here, and it's 4 feet over from this point. 2.5-ish feet right here. I have that written down. And then these are 1 foot treads. The risers on here will also be taken off, and we'll use Fond du Lac like what they have on their house. So the risers will be Fond du Lac that will veneer in place. Other than that, yeah, this is pretty straightforward. Nice, easy access job. Fortunately, it doesn't require a ridiculous amount of chipping to get this stuff out, like over at that other job we did last year. So, yeah, that's it.